Hi guys, it's Vertus here. So being able to create decent character hair cards is a fundamental for character artists. You'll see that I've been posting loads of videos on how to do so. On YouTube, there's loads of different methodologies, not all of them are specifically working, and the technology is forever changing, so it's hard to keep up. So this Wednesday the 29th, I'm going to be hosting a live workshop. We're going to go through some hair card creation. Going to be sharing details on how you can join and also download some resources ready in preparation for that event. If you can't make it, don't worry, because it'll be on a catch-up video on demand system. These events are something we do every single month alongside private videos and also feedback. Instructions on how to join the workshop and also connect your YouTube to your Discord can be found in the link below. Just follow the instructions link. Really easy step-by-steps to integrate your YouTube and also your Discord, and also where to find the live workshop so you can attend. Before the event, I'll be posting all the resources. So for example, the head bust, also the Unreal Engine shader materials and a couple of textures, so you can hit the ground running. You don't necessarily have to have created your own sort of stuff. So I'll be posting those a little bit before the workshop on the YouTube VIP and also on the YouTube Communities tab, so it should pop up. During the event, people have different levels of interaction. So for example, you can share your own screen and we can give you some tips and tricks, almost like a guardian angel style, or simulating what you see in universities. So some people like to come on webcam, some people like to come on voice chat to do questions and answers, or if you want to, you can also just stay in the live chat asking questions on the chat channel. I basically look at all three while we're going through the workshop. For the agenda, we're obviously coming into Unreal Engine to set up the final hair shaders for presentation, but before that we need to place all the individual hair cards. So there's loads of little strategies to go through that, some unoptimized and optimized ways. So I'm going to show you all the strategies for placing these hair clumps inside of layers and stuff. Here's an example of a Maya workflow. Here's using a plugin called Coifer. We won't have to use that, so there's different ways to do it inside of Maya, but it'll be very similar to how we're doing it here. So a really methodical way of controlling hair strands, so you're not sort of like lost inside of geometry and accidentally selecting things. If we have a bit of extra time, we'll also come into ZBrush and I'll show you another strategy for creating low poly hair cards, and then we can integrate that with the texture and import it into Unreal Engine. So looking forward to seeing you. Save it in your calendar. Obviously catch up on those hair videos if you want to create your own sort of stuff. Keep an eye out for the resources that I'll be sending out. Connect to your YouTube and your Discord so you can join those workshop events. And all the links are going to be below. So the instructions, the download resources, and where to find the Discord. So catch you on the 29th, and if not through the VOD system.